Ever wish you could own a motorhome that's easy to drive, fits in a regular parking space, and still gives you a full bathroom, kitchen, and comfy bed? Well, today we're revealing the top 5 affordable smallest Class C motorhomes for 2026. From the all-new Thor 4 Winds 19Z to value icons from Winnebago, Coachmen, and Jayco, we've researched real dealer prices, current models, and features you'll actually get for your money. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds 19Z 2026. Compact luxury under $80K. Driving shots, exterior walk-around, dinette converting to bed. The brand new 4 Winds 19Z is Thor's smallest and most talked about Class C for 2026. It measures just 20 feet 5 inches, built on the reliable Ford E-Series chassis with a 7.3-liter V8 pumping out 325 horsepower and 450 lb-ft of torque. Plenty for mountain passes. Inside, you've got a U-shaped dinette that converts into a bed, a cozy overcab bunk, and a compact wet bath with a tankless water heater. There's also a flip-up countertop, 11-foot power awning with LED lights, and surprisingly spacious storage for a 20-foot rig. Now the big question, price. MSRP hovers around $120K, but real-world listings from dealers like RV Dynasty and Blue Compass show units between $72,000 and $79,000 new. That S nearly 40% off sticker, making it one of the best values in the entire Class C segment. Pros: pop-ups, easy to drive, great value, modern build quality. Cons: small storage space, no slide-outs, modest fuel economy. If you're a solo traveler or couple who wants a true motorhome without the giant footprint, this is your winner. Number 2, Thor Freedom Elite 19He. The budget twin to the 4 Winds shots of Freedom Elite interior, kitchen close-ups. Think of the Freedom Elite 19HE as the sibling to the 4 Winds 19Z. Same chassis, similar layout, but often different dealer pricing and trim options. You'll find a dinette, wet bath, and compact kitchen with a 2-burner cooktop and 11 QF'd fridge. The base MSRP sits around $119,980, but dealer discounts regularly knock it down to the high 70Ks, identical to the 4 Winds on the lot. Pros: trusted Thor build quality, well-equipped standard features, easy driving. Cons: smaller tanks and limited storage, great for weekend getaways but tight for extended trips. If you like the Thor look but want to cross-shop for the best deal, check both the 4 Winds and Freedom Elite lines side by side. Number 3, Coachmen Leprechaun 210 QSS. The affordable workhorse. Leprechaun rolling on highway, slide-out sequence, if applicable. Next up, the Coachmen Leprechaun 210 QSS, a fan favorite for its budget-friendly pricing and no-nonsense construction. It measures around 21 feet and offers multiple compact layouts with a cab-over bunk and small kitchen. Dealer pricing is where it shines. While MSRP can reach into the $90K range, I've seen brand new units listed as low as $66,995 in 2025 closeouts. Pros: lowest price in its class, easy maintenance, durable interior materials. Cons: smaller tanks and less refined finishes and base trim. If you're a first-time buyer or downsizing from a large rig, the Leprechaun is a smart way to get into the RV lifestyle without emptying your wallet. Number 4, Winnebago Outlook 22E, 22C. The trusted name with big support. Showroom shots of Winnebago Outlook, side profile driving along Coast Road. The Winnebago Outlook has been a go-to choice for families who want a compact, reliable Class C with a household name behind it. Floor plans like the 22E and 22C keep length around 24 feet, yet include a queen bed, kitchen, and room for 5 sleepers. Winnebago's MSRP starts at about $92,993, but dealers and used listings often sell for $70K to $80K, depending on model year and options. Pros: legendary Winnebago build quality, excellent dealer service network, comfortable interior. Cons: a bit longer and heavier than the 19-foot models, and new pricing can be steeper unless you shop used. If reliability and after-sales support matter most to you, the Outlook deserves a spot on your short list. Number 5. Jayco Redhawk SE 22F, the rugged build with strong resale. Jayco Redhawk at campsite, interior pan over wood cabinetry. Finally, the Jayco Redhawk SE 22AF offers a robust option for those who want a bit more space and a reputation for durability. Built on the same Ford 7.3L V8 chassis as Thor's rigs, the Redhawk SE stretches to about 24 feet 8 inches, with a U-dinette, queen bed, and cab over bunk. New models can push past $100 K MSRP, but the used market is very active. You all find gently used Redhawks between $55K and $90K, depending on year and mileage. Pros: excellent build quality, warranty support, and resale value. Cons: larger footprint and higher price new than the others on this list. If you plan to own for many years or resell later, Jayco is a safe investment. Quick recap. Thor 4 wins 19Z 25, 7279K, best for solo or couple travel. Thor Freedom Elite 19 He, 20, 75, 80 K, weekend getaways. Coachmen Leprechaun 210 QSS, 21, 66, 98 K, budget value. Winnebago Outlook 22E, 24, 70, 90 K, family comfort. Jayco Redhawk SE 22AF, 24B8, 55, 90K, long-term reliability. Buyer tips, hands-on inspection, dealership shots. Before buying, always verify the chassis, year, and mileage, check for warranty coverage, and inspect roof seals and slide gaskets. Prices change by region and availability, so shop around, especially during dealer clearance events where discounts can hit $40 K off MSRP. If you plan to boondock, make sure you get a model with solar prep or generator included. Many base units don T. My pick for the best value? The Thor 4 wins 19Z. Small, comfortable, and truly affordable for a brand new Class C. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Factual Fuel for more motorhome and EV reviews, and tell me in the comments, which RV would you want to test drive next?